my channel ICT Active Learners. Today I'm here to explain Cambridge IGCSE ICT 2021 May-June database part. In this part of the question paper, they mention you are now going to prepare some reports. Dates are to be imported in format of date, month, year. Using a suitable database package, import the file G2121athletes.csv. So we need to import this file. First of all, I'm going to create a database. I need to call my database a proper name. For example, I just write here May, June 2021, and I will go to the folder. I have a folder here on desktop, May, June 2021. So I'm going to just save my database over there. Database is created. Next step, I need to import the file J2121athletes. So we'll just click on external data, text file, click on browse and desktop and athletes file, then just click on OK. First step to click on next, then click on the option first row contains field name, so they will become the field names. Then next, and here we need to check the data types. So last name, first name is text, athlete ID, and year of birth is only number. So you just need to check yes, number and number, that's it. Next, choose your primary key as they have mentioned here. Your primary key is athlete ID. So athlete ID is our primary key. Click on next and then just click on finish. Let's see what happened. Yeah, it says here text file specification field separator matches decimal separator or text delimiter. So most of the files in this question paper you will have in the same issue. So just click on OK, cancel this one and go to your folder here. Here we have a file athlete. Right click, make a copy of it first of all. Yeah, that's a copy. Now rename it with the name extension txt file. Done. Yes. Are you sure you want to change? Yes. Change. Now open the Excel here and click on open other workbooks, browse, and then choose your file as I have renamed it as txt, this one. So you will have a wizard here. So first of all, Windows European, choose this option. Then next, choose option here, semicolon and comma. So now they are arranged properly. Next and finish. Done. Now file, save as, browse, and you can just change it to CSV or choose from here CSV format. Save. Yes, keep the format, close, and then just, if you don't want to save even, and just click on save, yes, and done. Now let's try to import the file now. Text file. I'm going to import this file now. Next, choose the option First row contains field name next, and choose your primary key, that is event athlete ID, next, and then just call it, for example, athlete. Finish. Click on close and your file is successfully imported. Now double click here and let's check how it looks like. This is how it is. Close. The same thing you have to do with the other files as well, as they said J2121 events. So we'll just go there. Yeah, and I have the file events. Right click, just make a copy and paste it here, rename, and this will be called txt file. Yeah, open Excel, other workbooks, and again search for the file, the one you just renamed it, into the same folder, and that is events. Same process, select Windows, next, semicolon, comma, next, finish, done. File, save it as a CSV file now. Okay, so copy CSV file, yes, close, and yes. Just replace it. Done. Now, if let's try to import this file as well, which is events, this one. Click here, next, and then check the type of data for each one. Text, date and time, number, boolean, logical. So I think so everyone is okay except wetsuit. That is supposed to be boolean, logical, yes, no. Okay, next, choose my own primary key, and according to them my primary key should be event ID. Next, and just click on, for example, I call it events. Finish. Oh, it has import error. Why it has import error? Because we did not choose one option which is supposed to be like we have to select that. What is that option? Just yeah, it has import error. It means this data is not successfully imported. So let's delete it. Yes, and go back to our file, which is this one, events. So we don't need this one right now. I'm going to delete it. And Excel, yeah, and I will choose the file again, this one, events. So I will choose here Western, Windows European, next, choose this one, next, and then here we have to click on advanced, and decimal separator is a comma. Okay, finish, done. Now file, why like this? Because we want 20.6. It was point before, now it is a comma, 20 kilometers. So file, save as, and I'm going to save it as a text file, sorry, CSV file, which is actually a text file, and I'm going to call it CSV copy. Yeah, it's okay. Finish, yes, close. We don't need to save it again. Let's try to import now. So I will import the file events. Again, the same process. Just click on First row contains field name. Check the data type. So here for wetsuit we need to change yes, no. Click on OK. Next. And choose your own primary key, which is event ID. Next, and just finish. Hopefully no import error this time. So the file is imported successfully. Just double click to check if everything is alright. Yes, it is, except this one. It should be in yes no format. So right click, design view, click on wetsuit, format and change it to yes no. Save and view. So this time it is perfect now. Close and minimize the database. Let's see what else they have. We need to import one more file. Again, I need to do the same process with it as well. So I have the results files. Right click, copy, and then just paste it over here and rename it with the extension txt. Yes. Open Excel and then just click on other workbooks. Go to click on browse, desktop, to your folder, choose the option all files and choose the option results.csv or txt, sorry. Yeah, this is the one. Just click on text, oh sorry, back. Click here, choose the Windows, next, semicolon, comma, next, finish. Done. File, save as, and I'm going to save it as CSV file. Done. Yes. Close. No need to save it again. Done. Let's try to import now. Text file, browse, and the file is results. So just click on next, finished. So next you need to check the data types. So all of them here is date and time, most of them. Some is number and text. So I just need to cross check here. Short text, yeah, it is accordingly. Next. And next, choose primary key is there. Do not set any primary key. So no primary key. Next, and I'm going to call it just results. Finish. So the file is imported successfully. Click on close. Double click to check. Yeah, because the format of timing is hour, minutes and seconds. So it is perfect. Here they mention that placing your evidence document screenshot showing the primary keys, field names and data types on all three tables. So let me just go there first of all, or right click, design view, and I'm going to print screen this one. This is my evidence number 4. We'll paste it here. We just need to crop it. So we'll crop just like that. We need to show only the field name, data types and primary keys. So that is your events results table. Now another table, we'll close this one. Design view, print screen, and just need to paste it over here. Yeah, again, just crop it. Make sure the table name and field names and data types are clearly visible, just like that. The third table now, and that is athlete. Let me just paste it here and crop it as well, just like this. Done. Let's move forward. Step number 16, we need to create a relationship now. So database, save this one, database tools, relationships, and select all the tables that you have. Close, and now move here to follow the question. Athlete ID field in the athlete table and athlete ID field in the results table. So athlete ID from athlete table to the athlete field in results table. Create. So relationship is created over here. And now event ID field in the events table with the event ID field in the results table. So event ID field from here to the event ID here. Relationship is created, and now we need to take a screenshot of the evidence. 5. So that's the relationship between these tables, just like that. That's it. Let's move forward. Enter the following details as a new record in athletes table. So we need to open the athletes table now. We'll close them, save athletes table, click new record, and let's try to enter the data. Last name is Lee, first name is Sophia. So last name is Lee, and then we have Sophia, and 15310, and that is New Zealand, and 1982, and that is female. Save and close the table. In the results table, locate the record with the athlete ID 15318. So results table, search 15318. Here 15318. Yes, it is. And event ID is MX321085. So this is the one, 321085, and need to change some amendment. Swim is 0019 here. We need to make changes 001938, and then T1 is 0000, and only 36, and position is 1. Save and close the table. Now we need to create a report. Using field from all the tables, produce a tabular report. So whenever they ask you to create a report, you must have to create a query first. So fields from all the tables, results, events, and athletes. Next, and I'm going to call this query step number 19 so that I know which query I have created. Let me modify. Here they said location include the text HAM. So here we have the field called location. They said include. Whenever they mention include or contain, you have to write star HAM and then star. Then nationality, Australia or New Zealand. Nationality, we need to look for nationality Yes. So that is AUS or NZL. Capital small doesn't matter. Outcome is complete. So here we have a field called outcome. So outcome is complete here. Run the query. Let's see how many records that we have. There are total 30 records. Yes, the country is here, complete. Outcome, country, we have here, yes, nationality actually. Yes, New Zealand or Australian, and that's it. Click on save and let's move forward to the next step. They mention here they want only these fields. Fine, we'll just close this one. Click on the query, create a report now by using wizard. So they ask us to have first name, last name. So we need to look for first name, then last name, then year of birth, then nationality, then location, then they want outcome and position. Next, select one of the table so that they will become only on a single page, and there is no grouping as they have mentioned, do not group. So there is no grouping. Next, and arrange them into ascending order of nationality and ascending order of position. Nationality and position. Both are in ascending order. Next, portrait orientation, fit on a single page, and then it will be having a title. So copy this title only and then just paste it over here. So that will be the title. So let's preview it and let's see how it look like. So the only issue that we are facing is with the arrangement of the fields. Because of the arrangement of ascending descending order, the order must be the same. So we want the location and nationality and position to be arranged accordingly. First of all, we need the first name. So right click, layout view. Yeah. So let me fix this one first, make it smaller. This one I'm going to move to become the first field, just like this. And then after these ones, I'm going to move towards the right. Then last name is going to move here, just like this. Then after we need year of birth. Okay. So we are just going to move this one here. And year of birth should be here. Just like that. Then we want nationality. So position will go to the end, I guess. Position will be at the end. Let me move it to the end. And here's the nationality. Then location. And we have outcome. And then position. That's it. So this is what exactly they need. And then after has your name, center number, candidate number on the report. So right click, design view, and click on design, get a label from here and just write your name, center number, candidate number over here. That's it. Right click, print preview, and your report is ready to print. That's what they said in this step. Save, close. Let's move forward. Step number 20. Using fields from all the table, produce another query. So create a query first from the athlete, event, and results table. Next, and I'm going to call it step number 20. Finish. Now what they need exactly, position is more than 0 and 5 or less. So position, we have here a column for position. Yes. So I'm just going to write 0. Yeah, they said more than 0, so means greater than 0 and less than or equal to 5. Less than or equal to 5. This is how we have to write greater than 0 and less than or equal to 5. Then after gender is female. So we need to look for gender now, and gender is here somewhere. Yeah, female. That's it. Run. So they are all female, and position here with us is greater than or equal to 0 and then less than or equal to 5. That's it. Now we need to have one more field here, design view. Let's go to the end. Here we need to have another field with the name total transitions, which is calculated at runtime to add the content of T1 and T2. So just click here, click on the option called builder. Then we have an option here, the fields that we need to add, T1 plus T2. Then just click on OK, and then have the field name as they have mentioned, total transition. Run and just check at the end. So it is calculated over here. Now we need to produce a report. Save, close, click on create report using wizard. We need to choose the fields, first name, last name, first name, then last name, then location. Then we have to choose the swim. So that is swim in meters. So we need to choose the option only swim. Then T1, then bike, T2, wetsuit, yes. Then we need to choose the option total transition. That's it. Next, and arrange it according to single sheet. Next, no grouping here, and then we have to arrange the data into descending order of position. So here we have position. I did not choose option position, sorry. Let's go back, and here we have position as well. After here we need to add position as well. That's it. As a single page, next, and descending order of position. Next, it should be landscape as they have mentioned, and then include a title, top female triathletes. This will be the title, and let's preview it. This is how it will look like. So position must be at the end, right. right click and layout view. So we need to move this one at the end. We will move it accordingly later on. And then I have to arrange first name, last name and location because some data is even not visible over here. We just need to arrange this one like this only. Yeah, location, and then we have swim, then we have T1, then we have bike, then we need to move this one here, then T2. Make sure the order that they have mentioned is the same with you as well. So this one comes before position. Yeah, so look, the title is not clearly visible over here. So let me move this one here. Yeah, so this is how everything is not clearly visible here. And here they have mentioned calculate the number of database records in this report and place this at the end of the report formatted as integer. So very simple, right click, layout view, click on any of the fields, then right click, total, and then just use option count records. So it will count the records for you. They are here and has a label number of competitors to the left of the value. So just right click, set caption, and then just have the title over here. That's it. And then display your name, center number, candidate number in the footer so it appears in the same position as every page. And then after, make sure no other data is displayed. So right click and design view, click on the option design and get a page footer here and write your name, center number and candidate number. That's it. Yeah, then we need to print the report. Right click, print preview. So this is page number 1 and this is page number 2. Your name should appear on every page in the same position. Evidence number 6. Place in your evidence document a screenshot showing database formula used to calculate the total number of competitors. So design view. Here is the formula that we have used. Here it is. You just need to change this star and just write a square bracket and just write wet suit. That's it. And now get a screenshot of it and paste it into your evidence document as evidence number 6. Format, crop it because we don't need this. All screenshot should be there. We just need only the data that we need to show only. That's it. And that's all from the database part of the question paper. Hope you have understand and learned how to deal with the database questions in the Cambridge IGCSE papers. And thank you very much for everyone, those who subscribe my channel, and waiting for further support from all of you to support my channel and subscribe. Thank you and see you.